Good afternoon, students. In this video, we will discuss our topic multiplication with 2 and 3 using abacus tool by doing
Hello
some more
students.
examples.
As you can see in front of you, one abacus tool is there. In my previous video, I have told you about how to do multiplication with 2 and 3 by using abacus tool. In that, I have told you one most important rule, which is zero rule. But before zero rule, I have told you about the rods and the beads. As I have told you, the mid rod in the abacus tool is the units rod. This rod is called the units rod and it is the main rod of the abacus, which is in the mid of the abacus tool. Besides it, the tens rod, and just besides it is the hundreds rod, as you have already read in your maths that ones, tens, hundred. Units rod, or you can say ones rod, tens rod, hundred rod. The value of the units rod is, the upper bead value is 5. Lower bead is 1, 2, 3, 4. In tens rod, the upper bead value is 50. Then 10, 20, 30, 40. And in the hundreds rod, the upper bead value is 500. Then 100, 200, 300, 400. You have to do the calculations in these three rods only. And from where you have to start? You have to start from the hundreds rod for multiplication. We will take some examples in this video. As in my previous video, I have explained this with few examples. Now we will take some more examples in this video. Start with our examples. First of all, you have to set your abacus, the upper beads up and the lower beads down. Now see, our first question is 52 into 2. Now how you have to do? First of all, multiply the first number with 2. Now it is 5 into 2 is 10. As you can see, 5 into 10 is a double digit number. Again kids, I am repeating that you have to use the zero rule only when the number is a single digit, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the number is 4, then you have to use the zero rule. In the beginners, at the beginning, when you multiply the first time, if a number comes a single digit, then you have to use the zero rule. But this time a number is a double digit, so we will not use the zero rule here. Now it is 10. So from where we will start? We will start from the hundreds rod. So first number is 1. So in hundreds rod we will do 1. As you can see very clearly, I have done 100. Then is 0. In tens rod we have to do 0, but nothing. 0 means nothing, so nothing we will do in this tens rod. Now the next number we will multiply 2 with 2. What it comes? 4. So 4 will go in now units rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much it comes? 104, 104. Now we will take our second example, but before starting we will set our abacus. Upper beads up, lower beads down. Now first of all, multiply the first number with 2. 4 into 2. How much it comes? 8. Now you can see this is a single digit number. So what you have to use here? You have to use the zero rule here. So we will use the zero rule. What the zero rule is? You have to use the 0 in front of the single digit number. Now it becomes 0, 8. Now come to your abacus. 0, first of all 0, we will start from hundreds rod. So nothing will be there in hundreds rod. Then 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will go for next. Now 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Now do 4 in units rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the answer? 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 and 4, 84. Students, in the next question, we will do it orally. We will not make any line. We will do it in our mind. And this is the main thing. We have to do it in our mind only. But previously, as we have not practiced it before, so we are doing in the paper. But our main intentions, our main thing is this only, that you have to do in the abacus tool without using pen and paper. So, first of all, we will multiply 6 into 3. As you can say, 6 3s are 18. 18 is a double digit number, so you don't have to use the 0 rule. Then 6 3s are 18. For 18, you have to do 1 in hundreds rod and 8 in tens rod. Then multiply the next number with 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 in units rod. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 100, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 189. See, without doing any calculations, you have done this question. We will take one more question. Now multiply the first digit with the 3. 4 3s are 12. 12, 1 in hundreds rod, 2 in tens rod. 4 3s are 12. 12, 1 and 2. Now 6 3s are 18. For 18, you have to do 1 in tens rod and 8 in units rod. So what is the answer? 100, 30 and 8, 1, 3, 8. See, with the abacus tool, how easily you can do your questions. So please practice at home. I have given you the worksheets with this video. Students, one more example is there. It is something different. You have to focus in it. So first of all, you will, as I have told you, you have to multiply 2 with the first number. So 2 into 2 is 4. As it is a single digit number, so you have to apply the 0 rule. Apply 0 in front of it. So it is 0, 4. Now come and focus in the abacus tool. 0, you will start from the hundreds rod. 0 means nothing you have to do in that hundreds rod. 4 in the tens rod. As you can see it very clearly. Now the next is you have to multiply the second number with 2. So 9 2s are 18. Now this will go in tens rod, this will go in units rod. So now see in abacus. As you can see, for 18, 1 you have to put in tens rod. But see, 1 is not there. So what you have to do? You have to apply the formula. For plus 1, we have to do plus 5 minus 4. For plus 1, we have to do plus 5 minus 4. As you know it very clearly. You have studied these formulas in the previous classes. Plus 5 minus 4. So here we have done plus 5 minus 4. And then what you have to add? You have to add 8. 8 in units rod. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is your answer? 58. Is the answer. The more you practice, the better the results are. Thank you.